Hi, my name is Mrs. Ribicki, and I am the principal at DeMotte Elementary School. I believe our culture is very loving and caring and welcoming to anyone who steps through our doors. Kids is a priority at our school above all things. We are very child-centered with all of our experiences that they will encounter here at DeMotte Elementary School. That is something we are very proud of. They will be excited. It will be a nurturing environment, but they will have a lot to accomplish throughout their journey here at a K-3 building. Our biggest achievements here at DeMotte Elementary School was that we are a Blue Ribbon school, a National Blue Ribbon school, and we were able to go to Washington, D.C. a couple years ago and celebrate that. Very few schools get to do that, and we were honored for our excellence here at DeMotte Elementary School for everything that we do for our students here. And so once you're a National Blue Ribbon school, you are considered that for all the years ahead. So we're very proud, and we continue to work on that excellence and provide the best that we can for our students. One of the big things, and I have heard that sets us apart from other schools, is that we do have a lot of supports here at DeMotte to make every student have the chance to be successful. We have an awesome ELL program with a separate teacher that can go into the classrooms with also a couple paras and help that student population. We also have 5 special education classrooms. We have 2 life skills classrooms and 3 resource teachers that provide supports. We have an abundance of paraprofessionals that work throughout the building and in different classrooms. A lot of schools don't have that. We also have we're a Title I school, and so we have lots of support through our Title I program to intervene with students who are struggling with their reading skills and some math skills. So I think that sets us apart because we're able to provide all those supports for a variety of students with different needs. DeMotte is very welcoming and does a really great job of building relationships with our families. We have many families sometimes that come back and they're like, "Oh, we miss DeMotte Elementary." We do a fabulous job. The moment they walk in through our doors with our secretary smiling, welcoming them, it's very important that we have staff that does that. So there's lots of different resources that we have through our school counselor. We have a fabulous parent-teacher organization that come into the school and work with our teachers, work with putting on special events for everyone. We have community helpers that come in and talk to the kids and bring their equipment. So very involved with and in touch with the community. So if you're deciding to come to DeMotte Elementary School, I think that parents would be making a great school choice for their child. I believe that we can give all that your child will need to grow to be a successful adult and get lots of fun learning experiences here at DeMotte. We have a fabulous staff that I'm very proud of, and we work very hard being that child-centered school and can provide the opportunities that they will need to be successful.